Assalamualaikum viewers and welcome to my cooking channel. I hope you will subscribe and come along on this fun, inventive journey of cultural exchange through cooking. So let's start. Today I will show you how to make egg poached curry. First of all, what ingredients do I need to make it? Egg 2 pieces, 4 pieces or half cup of onion, 1 teaspoon red pepper powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon ginger paste, half teaspoon garlic paste, pepper 3 or 4 pieces, salt as needed, soyabean oil.